Hey everyone, and welcome back to another plan with me. This week I thought it would be fun to plan in my PP weeks. I have a lot of Valentine's Day kits, especially from SKD, and so I thought it would be fun to kind of just use them. I've got so many stickers. In fact, I am on a no spend on stickers for the month of February because I have so many stickers, and I make stickers, so like if I don't have a sticker, I can always make it. So yeah, that is why I am doing the no spend. Plus I just need to be saving some money. It's always good to make sure that your emergency funds and stuff like that are set. You may hear, as usual, a Daisy in the background. She is playing with one of her favorite toys, which is a spring. She loves springs and feathers. Those are her two really big things, and she really loves the springs on the hardwood floor because they move real fast. So it's really cute to watch her, but it is very noisy. Let's see. So yeah, there is no face today just because I'm kind of tired and I just was not in the mood to making sure that I'm still in camera. Just not in the mood. And I mean, I told you that not every video would be like that, and so yeah, I think we can all agree that it is fine to not have my face on every time. It's fun and I enjoy it. I really do. I think it makes it different, but I'm just, like I said, I'm just tired today. This next week I don't have a lot of like plans in terms of, oh, I'm going somewhere. Like last week I had all those like meetings and stuff like that. This week is more about my best friend from California is coming with her son on next Monday, so we need to get the house ready. We've kind of been lax since really we got the floors in December. On any real renovations, we've kind of just, we are so renovated out of our, so over it. But we need to get the bedroom ready for them, and so I'm going to paint the bathroom cabinets and paint the floor. The bathroom floor doesn't have flooring on it, it's just concrete like the rest of the house was. So it's going to have tile on it, but I'm going to paint the floor. And then I think we are going to, what do you call it? I want to use them all. I'm going to, sorry, trying to figure out my plans. But then we need to get like the walls painted and get the bed set up and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, just basic get ready for your friends, you know, for company kind of stuff. So I think that will be, oh, I know what I can do. Oh, I've got a nice here. I'm such a dork. I'm going to use this one since it's going to be meals. Which I said this, so in a couple weeks I'm going to show you how I meal plan. So make sure you're subscribed because I think it's pretty fun the way that I meal plan, and I think a lot of people will enjoy it. It's not completely a traditional way, I think. I mean, I guess maybe it is. I don't know. I don't watch how other people meal plan, so. Yeah, I'm going to stagger the color on these just to make it a little more colorful. I'm not super into a color blocking. Which is fine. Everyone has their own like way of planning, which I think is fun to try to plan like other people. And if you would like to see me plan like a certain person, let me know in the comments below, because I think that would be fun to do a video like that. What else? So I can't believe it's already February. I'm still trying to get used to the fact that it is, what do you call it? Wait. Yeah, that's right. That it's even to 2021. Like, what the heck? I didn't even finish my sidebar. But this is already looking so cute. Oh my gosh. Like, so cute. By the way, this is the Sweet Kawaii Design Anti-V-Day kit or Valentine's Day kit. And I think this is from last year, and I forgot to use it last year, so that's why I have it. And then I bought 2 more this year, and yeah. It's just kind of funny. Oh, I hear a daisy coming. Now I'm gonna do, I think I'll do the green one here, and then I'm gonna put some of this deco in between. Oh. Ooh. I'm gonna use the bye and the yikes, or the meh. I like the meh. Meh. Yikes. Right there, and then we'll put bye in the middle. Oh, those are so fun. Okay. So Mondays are always really busy for me. Oh, I wasn't gonna color block. Let's move that one because I don't want to put the gray with the gray. So I'm going to use this one here. And I forgot to grab my sticker book full of like stickers, so I'll grab those in a minute. But if you want to see how I organize my stickers, there is a thing for that already up. A video. Wow, I know me no words. I think Poe is really cute. I think I'm gonna do Netflix is my Valentine right here. I think that is just funny and true a lot of times. And then I'm gonna do this one, Why I Fall in Love If You Can Fall Asleep. And put that one up here. Oh. That one kind of just takes up all of Thursday with everything. That's okay. Oops. And I'm totally crooked, but I've already put it down twice. And the rule is if you put it down twice and it doesn't go, then oh. Arbitrary rule, but I'm gonna go with it today. Okay. I'm gonna go Saturday and Sunday, and I'm gonna do Love Me More on here. And this Love is in the Air. And I can use this pose somewhere else. Actually, no. I'm going to save that and use this one here. Not fully in love with the fact that we've got gray on gray right here, but that kind of blocks it up. Or breaks it up, you know? Okay, so Friday is Freebie Friday, so we can kind of put that one there. What else in here can I put? We can put a full... Okay, sorry, my camera died on me, so I took that opportunity to grab some character stickers to put in here. So I grabbed a Tigro for Monday, for Coffee Monday. It's also my laundry day, so I'm gonna put this sticker from Sweet Kawaii Design. So we have a sticker from Butterfly Planner, and that's not Sweet Kawaii Design. That's Beautiful Mess Co. I put that Friday is Freeway Friday. I'm gonna put this sticker of Cat and Kit together to state getting ready for my friend being here. And then it's supposed to snow on Sunday, so I'm gonna put this on here and layer it and put Frank here and just put snow. I'm also gonna take this weekend banner and put it down here to just kind of zhuzh it up a little bit. And then I want to fill these in, so I'm just gonna take, I think I want to take this pink one and kind of overlay it like this half box like that, and then throw a gray one here. And I don't love that there's that there, so it's Saturday, we'll probably watch a movie or something, so I'll grab this one. Like that. So yeah, there it is. I think it turned out really cute. Let me know in the comments below what you think and what kit you used this week. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.